right, so we're studying biology. The first question about biology is how do you know if it's alive, or at least if it was alive? And this may be one of these things that's pretty hotly contested. If you read different biology books, they're actually amazingly similar, except for this question. They frame it quite differently. So, things that almost everybody agrees with. At least life on Earth is organized into cells. And all life is going to have some level of organization. Otherwise, it's not going to be distinct from its surroundings. So, if you're looking at dendrites, which are part of the nervous cell system, you can see they are connected with each other. They have a regular pattern around them. And in any case, all life that we know of has minimally some sort of membrane balloon around it, and then some sort of information inside of it. And for all life that we know of, that information is either in the form of DNA or RNA, and it's essentially DNA. So it has an information carrying molecule inside of it, and it has some sort of membrane that keeps it separate from the outside world. So for it to be life, it has to have cellular organization. How else do we know if something is alive? Life responds to its environment. What does that mean? You say you're not a runner, you say you like to sit around? I can make you into a runner, right? You will change your behavior based on the environment. I'll put the video of the tomatoes moving around in Sakai. I can't play a video, unfortunately, while I am recording this, or at least not this one. Responses don't have to be movement. So you can have responses that are, for example, a cell changes its membrane structure based on a chemical that's being introduced to it. We can have cells that change behavior based on the amount of water or salt around them. So you can have chemical changes that occur. You can have movement that occurs. You can change color. Many things can change, but the idea is the cell or the organism is behaving in a way that means that something has changed in the environment. And it doesn't respond to all environmental changes. So, for example, some things are temperature sensitive and some things are less temperature sensitive. Some things are more sensitive to magnetic fields. Humans seem to be very unsensitive to magnetic fields. But in some ways, the creatures respond to their environment.